Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are recently got married or have wedding footage that you want to turn into a beautiful cinematic history, then you will love today's video. I'm going to show you where you can find professional wedding video editors who will make your special day look like move, and it's super affordable. We know wedding videos are once a lifetime memories, but raw footage often looks dull, shaky, or just not special enough. That's why our professional video editor can make all difference. They can smooth transition, color correction, background music, romantic effects, and even storytelling cuts and makes your wedding look magical. Now that's the best part is you don't need to hire big video production team or spend thousands of dollars. Today I'll show you an expert who will edit your wedding video and who will help you to cinematic wedding video and affordable and very amazing video editing for wedding video editing for you. He is an expert video editor, wedding video editor. This is Fiverr has so much freelancer and so much professional with affordable price for edit your wedding video. I'll show you an expert who will help you to edit your wedding video. His name is Fuad E. He is a video editor and he have 4.8 rating and he already complete 359 reviews he have and 5 orders already in running, and he is a top rated freelancer on Fiverr and 5 order already running. He is a very professional. He have so much review on there. You can check his review. He did so much video editing in there. So much people take service from him. So I hope you understand. You can check so much review he have. He already make so much wedding video editing. So I hope you understand. You can check in there. He already edit so much video on there. I hope you understand. So you know wedding video is our life memorable moment. So I hope you understand. You can edit, you can take wedding video editing service from him. He already make so much video editing. He have review, he have project he or create for his client. You can check this. No problem, I will add this link on my description below. You can check here. He will help you to edit your video. So he have 3 packages: basic, standard, and premium package. You don't need so much money for. He will take $200 within 7 days delivery and unlimited revision, highlight 3 to 10 minute video up to 10 minutes. So he take only $200 and a standard package $400. Wedding cinematic wedding highlight 10 minute flash food length 3 hours within 10 days delivery, unlimited revision. And his premium package $450, timeless daily wedding highlight 10 minutes full length 3 hours, teaser of 1 minute, 10 days delivery, unlimited revision. So he's very cheap for you. I think you want to edit your his last delivery on about 5 hours ago. He's from United Arab Emirates. So he have so much, and you can check his review. He have so much review, 4 review, 5-star review, so much review he have. So I hope you understand. You can hire him. I will add this link on my description below and you will contact with him, and he before placing order you will share how about your project. He will discuss about your project and he will help you to how he can help you, and you also share about your budget, your everything, and discuss before placing order. I will add this link on my description below and edit your wedding video, because wedding video is memorable video. So if you want your wedding video look absolutely stunning, click the link description below. I will take you directly the best rated wedding video editors on Fiverr. Don't wait too long. Your wedding memories deserve to shine today. Thank you so much.